mga guys, mga taste, welcome back sa akin channel. Ito si Quiz Alan. Ngayong araw, meron na naman tayong papanoorin bagong video galing sa YouTube. And this time, galing sa The Voice Kids Villander or sa English, Belgium. So, bago ko ituloy itong introduction ko, gusto ko munang sabihin na condolence dun sa pamilya ni Lloyd Cafe Cadena. So, alam ko na medyo mabigat sa atin to this past week kasi nga second na YouTuber o vlogger ang nawala sa atin this year. Diba si Eman, then ito si Lloyd, and alam natin na si Lloyd is one of the pioneer, unang Filipino vlogger, diba, na sumikat na kapangalan. And unfortunately, isa siya sa naging biktima ng COVID-19. And so I hope sana itong nangyari kay Lloyd is a lesson for us na to take care of ourselves, na mag-ingat kasi it's not yet okay. Even though mayroon na yung vaccine, but still di pa rin natin masasabing safe tayo. So let's us all be safe. And again, condolence sa family ni Lloyd Cadena. I know na nag-grief pa rin kayo ngayon. So there you go. Nagagawa na ako ng reaction video sa death ni Lloyd last week, I think. Yeah, if not mistaken, last week. So again, balik tayo sa happy. So yung araw ang papanoorin kong video is isa na naman Pilipino, and wow, this year is a great year for Filipino singers. Tinatambakan na naman ng mga Filipino mga international singing competitions. So inumbusan ni Marcelito Pomoy, sinundan ni Francisco, kalimutan ko yung apelyido ni Francisco, yung sa American Idol. Then meron pa to sa Norway. Then itong late, tapos sa America's Got Talent, yun si Spyro Brothers. Then ang latest itong 5 Filipino na nakapasok to sa The Voice Kids UK Season 4, kung saan nanalo ay yung Filipina na si Justin Afante. And this time, isa na namang Justin ang nakapasok sa The Voice Kids Belgium of Villander. At ewan ko, parang nakataon Justin rin ang pangalan niya. So siya si Justin Degrees. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. So Belgian, half Belgian siya and half Filipino. So mom niya ang Filipina. So Justin Degrees. So ang spelling ng apelyido is D-E-G-R-Y-S-E. So Degrees, yun ko yan ang tamang basa, Degrees of Degrees eh. So actually nabasa ko na to sa website ng or sa how you call it, internet, na pasok na siya sa finals si Justin. So this is the second na Justin na nakapasok sa finals. Hopefully sana manalo siya para second Filipino na nanalo. And pero di ko papanoorin yung video niya kasi wala pang video available on his performance ng finals. But ang papanoorin natin ay yung audition niya kung bakit siya nakapasok hanggang finals. So with no further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my opinion and reaction. Go! Kakanta niya is Lovely. I don't know the type of song. By Billie Eilish.
Thought I'd find a way, yeah, but you never go away.
Pero soft yung boses.
I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of here.
Meron siya. One check. turn.
all alone. Heart made of glass and my mind of stone. Tear me to pieces, skin and bone. Hello, welcome home.
Okay, there you go. Napanood natin si Justin Degrees. Nahirapan na pressure ako doon sa na-stress ako doon sa bagay doon. Justin Degrees. So, half Filipino, half Belgian siya. Kinanta niya yung Lovely ni Billie Eilish. So, familiar sa akin yung song, pero yung title kasi hindi familiar sa akin, pero yung song familiar sa akin, narinig ko na yan. And wow, galing, ganda. Ito yung mga gusto kong marinig sa mga Filipino, hindi lang yung puro pirit, diba? Being a very good singer doesn't depend on sa pagtipipirit. And ito yung nagustuhan ko kay Justin. Ito yung maganda kay Justin. Hindi siya bumipirit. Ginamit niya yung boses niya ng tama. And he sang it very well. And yun lang, may konti akong issue yung sana nilagyan niya ng konting twist yung kanta, yung hindi siya magsasong Billie Eilish, kasi to sa parting last part ng song medyo Billie Eilish. Yan, stress na naman ako to sa Billie Eilish. So medyo nagsasang konti ng ganun, but the total performance was really great and I love it. And now I understand kung bakit siya nakapasok. So, kasi ang ganda ng boses niya. Maganda yung pagka-perform niya. Malinis. I don't know. Wala akong marinig doon na parang nanginervyos siya. Everything was really great. So, congrats Justin. And hopefully, sana manalo ka this time sa The Voice Kids Vlaanderen or Belgium. Kasi mga nauna is nag-fail except for Justin Afante nanalo sa The Voice Kids UK. So hopefully sana second Pinoy naman nanalo this time, di ba? So let's pray for Justin for the finals. Go! So there you go, napanood niyo yung performance ni Justin Degrees from The Voice Kids Vlaanderen or Belgium with the song Lovely. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please don't forget to drop your comments below and I'll read it. And kung may request kayo or suggestion, please don't be shy to share it. And I will do my best to make a reaction videos on those requests you have sent to me. So, before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day to all and enjoy your day. Bye-bye!